Hey y'all, so I'm going to talk you through this tutorial on how I get this beautiful sleek pony on my natural hair. I just did a video of a heatless method, and this method does contain heat. This video is also sponsored by K's Fab Hair. That's the hair that I'm going to be using for this pony. And this first part of the video is just going to be me showing you how I prep my natural hair to get it ready for the ponytail. But I'm going to timestamp the video where the actual ponytail application begins. First things first, you want to start with clean hair for this style. So after I have washed and conditioned my hair, the next thing I'm going to do is work in sections to stretch my hair out with my blow dryer. Stretching the hair is just going to make it easier to manage when I blow it dry. So I use my blow dryer on the cool setting when I'm stretching it out, because obviously the less heat, the better. Alright, so once my hair is completely stretched, I'm actually going to blow my hair dry this time with a brush or a comb. But the first thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of the one and only argan oil and kind of rub that off through my hair. You don't want to use a lot, just a dime size amount. Then I'm going to take my brush, which I switched my brush like 5 times till I found one that was actually working. And I'm going to blow dry my hair and brush it at the same time to kind of make sure those ends are getting straightened out. Alright, and so the next step is to get the hair ready to flat iron. So I'm going to section the hair off, and I'm going to be using 2 different flat irons. I'm going to be using a small flat iron, which is going to take care of my edges and those shorter hairs, and then this heat flat iron, which is going to flat iron my bigger sections. I will put all the links for all the tools I use below. I got that small flat iron off Amazon and I really like it. And I got the Heat flat iron like a couple of years back when they were having a sale. They both worked very well, and I definitely recommend just trying them out if you are interested. The obvious choice for the job though is going to be a hot comb for your edges and for your kitchen, but I really just could not gas myself up to use it, y'all. Like, I just couldn't. Like, I was getting anxiety just thinking about using the hot comb. But if you can gas yourself up, that is going to give you the best results. So after I finished flat ironing my hair, I did just trim my ends a little bit because they were just looking so raggedy, and I can't get a professional trim just yet. So next thing I'm going to do is grab my Murray's hairdressing pomade. You can also use beeswax, the Murray's beeswax. The reason I use this product is because it is not a water-based product. Any water-based product is going to make my natural hair wave right back up, and I need something that's going to hold, and this does the job. So whenever I am trying to get a really flat pony, I'm always going to separate my hair into 2 sections, top and bottom. Next, I'm going to take just a little bit of Got To Be, because I don't want it to wave my hair up, just to kind of hold that Murray's in place. And I'm going to do the top part of the ponytail. Then I'm going to repeat the same steps in the back of my hair. So I'm going to take some of the pomade first. I'm going to brush. Then I'm going to spray a little bit of the Got To Be, and I'm going to put that in the ponytail as well. So for edge control, I've really been loving the Style Factor edge control, but I'm only going to take just a little bit, and I'm going to lay down my baby hairs, and I'm going to go over my edges just a little bit with the edge control, because you don't want to use so much that your hair starts to wave up, because edge control can do that. So after I get my baby hairs the way I like after playing with them, I'm going to go back in with a little bit of the Got To Be spray again. And now we are ready for the ponytail. So first I'm going to tie down my edges with some Sanex strips, which you can get off Amazon or your local beauty supply. I've just been liking the results from these better than using a scarf. So now let's get into the ponytail. This is a drawstring ponytail from K's Fab Hair. It is the blown out texture in 26 inches. It comes with 2 combs to help you secure the pony in place, along with the drawstring. The texture matches so well with my natural hair, y'all, but I was going for a sleek look, so I did flat iron it just a little bit, but not a whole lot where it took away from the beautiful texture of the ponytail. So I have found it's easiest to put the ponytail on if you go ahead and pull the drawstring a little bit tight. And then when you are placing the ponytail on your head, you want to place that comb in the front going upwards instead of straight back. And then you're just going to go ahead and pull the drawstring and not even worry about the comb in the back. I feel that if you place both combs, that will give your ponytail a wide base, and we want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm going to wrap the drawstring around the pony, and then I'm going to take a little bit of hair out to begin covering the tracks in the base of the ponytail. I use a little bit of Got to Be Glued spray because this is going to keep the hairs from sticking out, and then it's also going to help the pieces stick together as you continue to wrap, and it just makes it look more clean and neat. And guess what, y'all? After that, like, you're basically done. It's like the quickest ponytail install ever. Like, period. You ain't got to worry about all that wrapping, bobby pins, glue, nothing. Nada. And y'all cannot tell me that these strips did not have me laid. Like, laid, my girl. I just love the end results so much, y'all. And I'm going to show you how it looked on like day 4, like even after my hair started to frizz a little bit, just a little edge control, and it was still blended like perfectly with my natural hair. So let me know what y'all think. Leave your questions and comments down below. Also, if you want to see like a quick 4 ways to style your pony, leave me some comments below. And thank y'all so much for watching.